Xbox,
Twitter, Uber, Postmates,
Netflix, MoviePass,
Google, Facebook, eBay,
DoorDash,
Apple, Amazon,
Airbnb, the Apptrepreneur.
What's going on, everybody? This is Dustin, the Apptrepreneur, and if this is your first time here and you like the content, please do me a favor, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that little bell icon. That way you get notified when I post my videos daily, because it's best to stay on top of rideshare news as it's coming at you. You see that, Kevin? You see that? Now, today's video, we're going to talk about, where is Kevin? I don't see him anywhere. I must be taking over his channel. Is he sleeping? Is he out to eat? Did he go to the gym? No, he's on a honeymoon. That's right, guys. He's on his honeymoon with his awesome, beautiful new wife. So they're having a good time, and I'm here to entertain you guys for a minute. And today, I'm just going to bring you guys a nice rideshare tip. If you ever get a passenger at all that calls you ahead of time and is complaining that they're running late, the best thing you can do is just cancel and keep it moving, because that's a guaranteed 1 star or potentially even a false report to get you deactivated, because you can't please everybody, and poor planning on a rider's part does not make an emergency on your part. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, because if this video gets to 100 thumbs up, I will take this beanie off. And also, please, guys, consider becoming a Patreon member. It's totally optional, but as little as $1 a month goes a long way to help keeping the channel running smoothly. And as always, guys, flame responsibly or don't. Peace out.